Titration is a valuable tool to determine the concentration of chemicals in a water solution. The titration kit pictured is used for alkaline pre-soaks such as Clean Cut 360 and acid pre-soaks such as Prep Pro 1. The kit contains an acid and alkaline reagent, a glass bottle, measuring tube, indicator powder packets, and instructions on how to use the kit and set up pre-soaks. Each of these items can be ordered separately if needed to replenish the kit. Because water can contribute to alkalinity, titration of water is necessary. The first step is to obtain a water sample. Make sure this is the same water that will be mixed with the pre-soak, such as RO, soft, or regular tap water. Completely fill the plastic measuring tube with the water to be tested. Pour the water from the plastic measuring tube into the empty glass mixing bottle. Add the contents of 1 indicator powder pillow to the mixing bottle and swirl until dissolved. The solution should turn green. Add the sulfuric acid solution drop by drop until the solution turns bright pink. Make sure to keep the dropper perpendicular. This will keep the size of the drop more uniform. Count each drop as it is added. Refer to the chart that comes with the titration kit. The chart will indicate the minimum pre-soak titration levels for each degree of water alkalinity. According to the chart, if it takes 3 drops to turn the solution pink, the number of drops to reach the desired pre-soak level will need to be increased by 2. Empty the mixing bottle before measuring pre-soak titration. Find a cup or a plastic bottle and cut it in half. Keep the bottom portion of the container and thoroughly rinse with fresh water. Cut or punch a small hole in the bottom of the container. Obtain a pre-soak sample from the spray arm while keeping a finger over the hole in the bottom of the cup. Allow the foam to settle for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure there is enough liquid at the bottom of the container. Remove your finger and allow the solution to drain from the bottom of the container into the plastic measuring tube. This minimizes the amount of foam in the tube. Make sure the tube is filled completely with liquid. Foam will skew the titration readings. Pour the pre-soak solution from the plastic measuring tube into the empty glass mixing bottle. Add the contents of 1 indicator powder pillow to the mixing bottle and swirl until dissolved. The solution should turn green when testing Clean Cut 360, Hyper Clean Cut 360, Extreme Clean, Supreme Clean, or Red Lightning. Add the sulfuric acid solution drop by drop until the solution turns bright pink. Count each drop as it is added. Refer to the chart that comes with the titration kit. The chart will indicate the minimum pre-soak titration levels for each degree of water alkalinity. Remember to add the results of the water blank test. The solution should turn pink when testing Prep Pro 1 or Hyper Prep Pro 1. Add the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop until the solution turns bright green. Count each drop as it is added. Refer to the chart that comes with the titration kit. The chart will indicate the minimum pre-soak titration level for Prep Pro 1. The water blank titration will not affect the number of drops required for acid pre-soaks. Higher alkaline water will require an increase in acid pre-soak usage. Because the strength of reagents may vary between different manufacturers, always use the Clean Touch titration kit for Clean Touch pre-soaks. Note, some pre-soaks on the chart indicate half drops. Half drops means the solution was almost green or pink.